You feel it, don't you? A discomfort, an ache, a diagnosis, a feeling that your body is betraying you. They gave it a name, a label, a prognosis. They told you it's genetic, that it's chronic, that it's normal for your age. They told you that your body is a biological machine, and that sometimes the parts just break. Today, I am here to tell you that all of this is an illusion. It is a story. It is a program that has been installed into your consciousness. And like any program, it can be uninstalled. Welcome to the quantum awakening. What you call sickness, what you call pain, is just energy. It is information. It is a signal from your deepest self, calling for a change. You are not a victim of your biology. You are the master of your biology. In the old world, the material world, we saw the body as a solid object, matter. But quantum physics, the science of the new age, shows us the truth. If you zoom in, closer and closer, past the cells, past the molecules, past the atoms, what do you find? Nothing. Emptiness, energy, pure potential. Your body is not solid. Your body is a dense energy field, vibrating at a specific frequency, and disease is just a distortion in that frequency, a misaligned energetic pattern. And who controls that pattern? The observer. You. The power of quantum healing is not something you learn. It is something you remember. It is an energy that has always been there, dormant, waiting for your command. They taught you to look for healing out there, in pills, in treatments, in specialists. They never told you to look within. They never told you that the power that created your body is the same power that can heal your body. Today, we will awaken this power. We will rewrite the program. We will activate the dormant energy in your body. Now, the first question you must ask is not, how do I get rid of this? The question is, what is this energy trying to tell me? Disease is a teacher. Pain is a messenger. It is knocking on the door of your consciousness, begging you to look inside. For years, you have been stuck in a loop of thought, a loop of emotion, fear, guilt, shame, resentment. Every one of those thoughts, every one of those emotions has an energetic signature, a frequency, and when you fire those thoughts repeatedly, day after day, you are literally teaching your body how to be sick. You are sending a chemical signal that tells your cells danger, survival, and a body in survival mode cannot heal, cannot regenerate, cannot thrive. The dormant energy is the energy of creation, the energy of wholeness, the energy of the quantum field. To access it, you must first step out of survival. You must break the habit of being your old self, the self that believes in the sickness, the self that accepts the diagnosis as a final sentence. Are you ready to meet your quantum self, the self that has never been sick, the self that is pure, unlimited energy and potential? Stay with me. The transformation is just beginning, and it is simpler than you have ever dared to imagine. It is a change of the observer. In the quantum universe, nothing is fixed until it is observed. Particles exist in a state of infinite potential. They are waves of possibility until an observer, a consciousness, places its attention upon them. When you observe, the wave collapses, and possibility becomes reality. It becomes matter. You are that observer, and your body is your field of observation. What have you been observing in your body? Have you been focusing on the pain, on the diagnosis, on the fear of the future? Remember the golden rule of the universe. Where your attention goes, your energy flows. If all of your attention is focused on the sickness, you are, literally, using your quantum power to collapse the reality of sickness, moment after moment. You are commanding your cells to continue expressing that pattern. Think of the placebo effect. It is the irrefutable scientific proof that the power of the mind can heal the body. A person is given a sugar pill, but they believe, with their entire being, that it is a powerful medicine, and the body obeys. The body heals itself. What healed that person? Not the sugar, the belief, the internal shift in consciousness. They accepted the reality of healing, and their body simply aligned with that new truth. Now, think of the nocebo effect, the placebo's dark twin. When a doctor tells a patient, "You have 6 months to live," and the patient believes it, and they die in 6 months, even if the autopsy reveals the diagnosis was wrong. What killed that person? The power of thought, the power of suggestion, the power of an observer, collapsing the wave of death. You, right now, are being your own placebo or your own nocebo. There is no middle ground. The dormant energy is your internal quantum pharmacy. Your body produces, naturally, every chemical you need. Painkillers stronger than morphine, anti-inflammatories, regenerative cells. It is all there, dormant, waiting for the right command, waiting for the right observer. So, how do you give that command? You cannot force it. You cannot fight the disease. What you resist persists. To fight the disease is to place your attention on it. It is to feed it your energy. You do not fight the darkness. You simply turn on the light. Quantum healing is turning on the light of your consciousness. It is stopping the observation of what you don't want and starting to observe, passionately, what you do want. You must become a different observer. You must change your frequency, your conscious mind. Your thoughts is the electrical charge. Your subconscious mind, your feelings, is the magnetic charge. Together, thoughts and feelings create your electromagnetic field, your vibration. If you think about sickness, but feel fear, you are sending a powerful electromagnetic signal to the quantum field that says, "I am fear, I am sickness," and the field, like a perfect mirror, reflects back to you more experiences that validate that feeling. The key, the activation, is to feel in your body now the emotion of already being healed. Does that sound radical? Does that sound impossible? It's because you are programmed to believe that your outer reality creates your feelings. I will feel happy when I am healed. The quantum secret is the exact opposite. You must feel happy, feel grateful, feel whole, in order to become healed. You do not heal to then feel gratitude. You feel gratitude to then heal. Gratitude is the frequency of healing. So, why is this energy dormant? The truth is, it is not dormant. It is trapped. Trapped under layers and layers of conditioning. Trapped in unresolved emotion. Think of your life. Think of every moment of trauma, every moment of anger, of sadness, of guilt that you swallowed, that you suppressed, that you told yourself, "I should not feel this." Where did that energy go? It did not disappear. Energy cannot be destroyed. It only transforms. It became lodged, stuck in your energy field, in your body. Your body is your subconscious mind. It is the record of every experience you have ever had. Your tense hip, your aching shoulder, your tight stomach. That is not random. That is emotional energy, crystallized. That is your past, living in your present. Quantum healing is the act of releasing this energy. It is the act of, finally, processing what was left unprocessed. You do not need to relive the trauma. You do not need to dig painfully into the past. You only need to acknowledge and release. The most powerful tool for this is forgiveness. Not forgiveness as a moral act, but forgiveness as an energetic release. Forgiving those who hurt you is not about saying what they did was right. It is about, finally, taking their energetic hook out of your body. It is about reclaiming your energy, and most importantly, forgiving yourself. Forgiving yourself for not knowing better. Forgiving yourself for mistreating your body. Forgiving your body for being sick. Your body is not your enemy. It has been doing the best it can with the orders you have been giving it. It has been trying desperately to get your attention. The pain, the inflammation, the symptom. It is your body screaming for love, screaming for coherence. Coherence is when your heart and your mind are in alignment, in sync, when you are no longer at war with yourself. When you live in stress, your heart beats in chaos. Your mind fires thoughts of survival. Your body releases cortisol. Your immune system shuts down. Your healing genes are suppressed. When you live in gratitude, in love, in appreciation, your heart beats in a coherent rhythm. Your mind calms. Your body releases healing chemicals. Your immune system switches on. Your healing genes are activated. The dormant energy is activated by coherence. So how do you find this coherence? When you are in pain, when you are afraid, you start small. You start with your breath. Your breath is the bridge between your conscious world and your subconscious world. Take a deep breath now. Feel the air coming in. Feel your chest expand. Feel, for 1 second, the silence between your thoughts. In that silence is the quantum field. In that silence is your power. You are not your thoughts. You are not your emotions. You are not your body. You are the consciousness that observes all of it. And as the observer, you have the choice. In every single second, you can choose to observe the old program, or you can choose to observe your healing. Now, let us make that choice. Let us stop talking about healing, and let us activate it now. Prepare yourself. The most important part of your journey begins in this exact moment. We are going to step into the quantum field. Wherever you are, stop. Just stop. If it is safe to do so, close your eyes. If not, just soften your gaze. Let us begin with the breath. Breathe in deeply through your nose, filling your belly. Hold and release the air slowly through your mouth. Again, breathe in the potential of the quantum field. Hold and release all the old programming, all the pain, all the fear. Now, bring your attention to the space your body occupies. Feel the weight of your body. Feel the energy in the palms of your hands. A tingling, a vibration. That is your energy. Now imagine or feel a brilliant light. It can be golden, it can be white, it can be violet. A light coming from above, from the center of the universe, pouring down, entering the top of your head. This is the energy of the source. It is the energy of creation. It is your own energy. In its purest form, feel this light, warm, loving, intelligent, filling your brain, relaxing your jaw, moving down your neck, releasing your shoulders. Feel this light, this quantum energy, flowing down your arms, to the tips of your fingers. Feel it flowing into your chest, into your heart. Imagine your heart glowing, opening like a flower, receiving this healing, sending coherence to every cell. Feel the light moving down through your solar plexus, your stomach, your abdomen, dissolving any stuck energy, any fear, any doubt. It is all melting away in this light. Now, direct this light to the area of your body that needs healing, where you feel pain, where the diagnosis told you there was a problem. Do not see it as it is. See it as you want it to be. See the cells bathed in this light. See them vibrating with perfect health, with vitality, with divine intelligence. See the tissue regenerating. See the inflammation disappearing. See the energy flowing freely. Now, the most important step. Feel in your heart the gratitude for your healing. Feel as if it has already happened. Feel the joy, feel the relief, feel the freedom of moving without pain, of living with energy. Feel the peace of knowing that you are whole. Feel this elevated emotion, this gratitude, and amplify it. Let it grow until it fills every cell of your body. Your body is vibrating at the frequency of healing, at the frequency of love. You are a quantum observer, and you have just collapsed a new reality, the reality of your perfect health. Hold this feeling. This is your new state of being. This is your truth. When you open your eyes, do not look for the proof. Be the proof. Do not wait for the healing. Live from the state of already being healed. When an old thought of doubt comes, just observe it and return to this feeling, to this light. The power was never dormant. You were dormant to your power, but now you are awake. Quantum healing is not an event. It is a lifestyle. It is the life of the conscious observer. Welcome to your new reality.